Welcome to SnapComms. The lock screen tool allows you to display a message to your staff on the screen that they see when their computer is locked and on the screen displayed when they enter their password to unlock their computer. The lock screen is highly effective for delivering reminder information such as cybersecurity awareness, staff health and wellness campaigns, and office events. The lock screen message will always get employee attention as the user cannot dismiss the message without interacting with it by logging into their computer. The SnapComms Lock Screen is compatible with all versions of Windows 7 and Windows 10 Enterprise, and it's licensed with the SnapComms Wallpaper channel. To create your own lock screen, log into the Content Manager and select Create Content. Look for and choose the lock screen icon. If you don't see the lock screen icon, then you are not currently licensed for it, so please reach out to your SnapComms representative to arrange a trial for you. Give your lock screen a name and add it to a folder, in this case my lock screen folder. Then click Create Content. Now the familiar designer interface that's used for creating all other SnapComms messages appears. The first step is to select the image that will display as the lock screen. Click the image icon and browse to find the pre-created image on your computer. In terms of the image file that you use, the best practice guidelines are that it is in landscape format, it has dimensions of 1600 by 900 pixels or higher, and that the file is PNG or JPEG type. Also note that any text should be placed near the top of the image so that it is not obscured when the password field appears. Next, you need to work down the right-hand side of the screen to set the targets and the publish dates of the lock screen. In this case, I'm publishing to the whole organization, and I want the password security lock screen to start immediately and be available for 1 week. Then click Publish. The new lock screen image will display when the screen is locked manually, for example by pressing the Windows key and L on the keyboard, or when the screen is reactivated after an idle timeout. If the published lock screen does not display after the above mentioned steps, we may need to assist you or work with your IT team to adjust some of your Windows 10 Enterprise group policy settings. Please reach out to tech.support@snapcomms.com for any help you need. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please read the lock screen knowledge base article available here.